We're doing this because it mirrors something that's been done before, or what others are currently pursuing. Right now, few topics generate as much discussion in our industry as electric vehicles, EVs. Toyota's CEO has made a bold statement, claiming even Elon Musk will be astonished by their latest breakthrough, a revolutionary motor. However, this comes amid controversy, as Toyota chairman Kiyo Toyota recently apologized for widespread cheating on certification tests. Despite this, the automotive world is racing toward EV dominance, and Toyota aims to make a major impact with a new development that could challenge Tesla's leadership. From what I've seen, this innovation seems legitimate. It's possible and could completely change the landscape. With this breakthrough, Toyota may have discovered something game-changing. In this episode, we'll explore why Toyota's CEO believes their new motor will impress Elon Musk and how this innovation stands out. As Toyota vies for a strong position in the competitive EV market, we'll examine what this new motor might mean for the industry. Known for its legacy of reliability, innovation, and commitment to sustainability, Toyota has a strong track record, having pioneered hybrid technology with the Prius in the late 1990s. As the EV market grows, Toyota has been adjusting its strategy, including advancements in battery electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel cells. Enjoying the content? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Join us for more insights and exciting news. Be part of the community today. The CEO's recent statement suggests a potential game-changer for Toyota, but what does this new motor entail? Is it an advanced electric motor, an innovative hybrid powertrain, or something entirely unexpected? Understanding its technical aspects is key to comprehending the buzz around this announcement. One critical area that could set Toyota apart is efficiency, which is crucial in the EV space. If their new motor drastically improves energy efficiency, Toyota could gain a significant market edge, offering longer ranges for EVs or better fuel economy for hybrids. Additionally, Toyota may have made design improvements, potentially creating a smaller, lighter motor that maintains high performance. This would enhance driving experience, making vehicles more agile, quicker, and easier to handle. Now, let's talk about the technology behind electric motors. If Toyota has developed a new type of motor that uses novel materials or innovative engineering techniques, it could set them apart from Tesla and other competitors. Tesla has been known for its impressive electric drivetrain, which has set the standard in many respects. If Toyota's new motor can outperform Tesla's in any significant way, it would indeed be a game-changer. One area where Toyota has traditionally excelled is in reliability and durability. If the new motor enhances these characteristics, it could be a massive selling point. Consumers often prioritize dependability, especially when making a significant investment like purchasing a vehicle. A motor that can last longer with fewer maintenance issues would undoubtedly capture the attention of buyers. The Toyota CEO's comment also raises questions about how this new motor will integrate with the company's existing lineup. Will it be introduced in a new model, or will it replace the motors in existing vehicles? Additionally, how will it fit into their broader electrification strategy? Toyota has been somewhat conservative in its approach to fully electric vehicles compared to competitors like Tesla. So this new development could indicate a shift in strategy. As we delve deeper, let's consider the competitive landscape. Tesla has set the benchmark for electric vehicles, but other manufacturers are rapidly catching up. Rivals such as Ford, Volkswagen, and now Toyota are investing heavily in electric mobility. The emergence of Toyota's new motor could disrupt this competition, especially if it offers unique advantages that Tesla cannot match. Moreover, the rivalry between Tesla and Toyota is not just about technology, but also about brand perception. Tesla is often viewed as the leader in innovation and cutting-edge technology, while Toyota is synonymous with reliability and practicality. If Toyota can launch a product that challenges Tesla's technological edge, it could shift consumer perceptions and redefine the competition in the electric vehicle market. This leads us to consider how Toyota's new motor might influence the market as a whole. If it is as revolutionary as the CEO suggests, it could push other manufacturers to accelerate their own innovations. In this way, competition can drive progress, resulting in better products for consumers. Another critical factor in this discussion is sustainability. As the automotive industry moves toward electrification, reducing environmental impact has become a central concern. If Toyota's new motor contributes to lower emissions or utilizes sustainable materials, it could resonate well with environmentally conscious consumers. The introduction of a new motor also ties into broader trends in energy. With the increasing demand for clean energy sources, advancements in electric motor technology will be crucial. If Toyota's new motor incorporates features that enhance the use of renewable energy, it could align perfectly with global sustainability goals. Let's also talk about charging infrastructure, an area where Tesla has made significant strides. Toyota has historically focused on hybrids and hydrogen fuel cells. But if their new motor is designed for battery electric vehicles, how will they address the issue of charging? Will they collaborate with charging network providers to ensure that their customers have access to a robust charging infrastructure? The way consumers charge their vehicles plays a critical role in the adoption of electric vehicles. If Toyota can offer solutions that make charging easier and more accessible, it could further enhance the appeal of their new motor.